Hello, Green Heaven Organics family. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic, pest control on our organic farm. We're all about sustainable practices and natural pest control methods. One of our go-to methods is companion planting, which cleverly combines crops to repel pests naturally and promote a healthy soil ecosystem. For instance, planting mint alongside tomatoes helps keep pesky aphids at bay. Another smart move is to intersperse tansy or marigolds in your garden. These are fantastic natural repellents. One of my favorite techniques is using beneficial insects. Let's check out this trap filled with ladybug larvae. They're voracious eaters of aphids. Insects like spiders and lacewings also play a vital role in keeping pests at bay. I hope you found this insight into our pest control methods on the farm enlightening. Remember, there are many ways to naturally protect your crops from pests without resorting to chemicals. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more organic farming wisdom. Thanks for joining us on this green adventure.